how to make Does Respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Grab two pitches, one of them -6 and man voice changer, the other normal. Sync the two pitches together. Grab color changer, set color offset to 360 and hue to -50. Make it bigger, and here's the result.
Sa nag-iisang paligsahan kung saan tagisan ng galing at pasiklaban ng diskarte ang kailangan. This is Mix Olympics! Once again, we will test the knowledge and skills of your favorite celebrities pagdating sa pop culture and of course, some music. So ngayon, kilalanin na natin ang ating mga contestants for today. Starting off with the team to my left. They are called Team Single. So please welcome Luigi Davola, Maris Racal, Makoy De Leon, and Shea Bustamante. Hello, guys. Dapat ko pa ba yung tanong, bakit Team Single ang inyong pangalan? Or, yun na yun? Ayan, sige mo na. Ilabas mo yung lahat. Papakinggan natin ang iyong kwento. But are you guys ready for Mix Olympics? Alam niyo ba kung ano mangyayari today? Meron na ba kayong idea?
Alam ko ready for relationship.
Yes. Ay, ready na ba for relationship? Or will you stick with the Team Single? That's the question. So there you go. I hope you guys are ready for Mix Olympics. So tingnan natin kung sino ang inyong mga makakalaban for today. To my right, we got the Team Gimme One. At kasama natin, Neil Coleta, Ella Cruz, John Bermundo, and Rene Piozzo. Hello, guys. Welcome to Mix Olympics. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Very good. That is the spirit. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang magwawagi. We will have 5 games for today. And we are going to start off with game number 1, which is called Who You. Members of each team will go head-to-head in giving the correct answer to our given question. Multiple choices are provided. The first player to press the buzzer gets 5 seconds to answer, but if the answer is incorrect, the other team gets a chance to steal. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. Simulan na natin with Luigi and Neo. Guys. You guys will start off. Kausapin muna natin kayo. Hi, Luigi. Kumusta? How's everything?
I am good, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, what do you want to say to everyone? Anything you want to promote or your online accounts, of course?
Okay, follow me on Instagram or Twitter. It's just Luigi_Davola.
Luigi Davola. Follow Luigi on Instagram and Twitter. And how about you, Neil? What's keeping you busy nowadays? Anong gusto mo sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood niya?
You know, good luck sa atin lahat.
Online accounts? Meron ko bang gustong sabihin sa mga tao?
Follow me on Friendster and joke lang. IG ko ay I'm Neil Coleta. I'm Coleta Neil and Twitter account ko is I'm Neil Macoleta.
Ayan. So there you go. Follow natin ang ating mga friends na kasama natin ngayon dito sa Mix Olympics. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung kilala nyo ba itong mga babanggitin kong handles. So kapag tayo...
Pwede ba try?
Testing nyo muna, sige.
Gumagana.
Wait lang. After the light. Yan. There you go. So malalaman natin kung sino ang unang mag-press kasi once na nag-buzz ng isang team, hindi natutunog ang kabila. At iilaw-ilaw siya dyan ng konti. Ha? Okay. So kamay sa gilid para pantay. Here we go, guys. Twitter handle. Meron tayong choices, ha? You have 3 choices, but if you think you know, you can buzz already. Here we go. Hello, Banksy. Letter A. No coaching, guys, ha? No coaching. Kung sino lang nandito, yun lang ang pwede sumagot. Okay, Neo.
Banks Garcia.
Banks Garcia. Good guess, but that is incorrect. So a chance for you, Luigi. Here we go. Twitter handle, Hello, Banksy. Letter A, Banks Garcia. Letter B, Catherine Bernardo. Letter C, Nadine Lustre.
That's all?
Hindi na pwede still.
3 choices. Mamaya kapag
I think I will go... Nadine Lustre is C, right?
Yeah.
I'll go for B. B.
B, Catherine Bernardo is...
Oh, it's wrong.
since nabigay nyo na yung dalawang choices natin dito, it's obvious na yung last natin will be Nadine Lustre, and that is the correct answer. So, pwede na kayong maupo dahil mangyayari dyan unahan na lang sa pagpindot. Here we go! Maris and Ella. Kayong dalawa naman. Hi! Hi Maris, kamusta? How's everything? Anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon? And of course, yung mga accounts ninyo, pwede nyo na rin banggitin, guys.
Hello guys, follow niyo ako sa Instagram, Maris Stellar, and sa Twitter, @MarStellar account.
Ayan, there you go. And Ella, hello!
Ayan. First, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Mix for having me sa Mix Celebrity
That
Music
is
ng
right.
September. Ngayon, nandito
Yes.
naman ako sa Mix Olympics. Pero syempre, follow niyo ako sa Twitter and Instagram @It'sEllaCruz. And check out my YouTube channel, EllaCruz06.
Ayan, kung gusto nyo makita lahat ng mga dance moves na
Yes.
ginagawa ni Ella, check out her YouTube account. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung updated kayo sa mga dapat i-follow sa Instagram at Twitter. Para sa inyong dalawa, we will go to Instagram. Ang hinahanap natin ay ang owner ng handle na Teddy's Photos. Maris?
Ted, yung singer. Ay, yung host ng
You have to give me the full name.
Ted! Teddy Corpus!
Okay, Teddy Corpus. Teddy Corpus is incorrect. Okay, here we go. Ito ang may choices tayo ha. Instagram, Teddy's Photos. Letter A, Teddy Corpus. Letter B, Ted Filon. Letter C, Ed Sheeran. You have 5 seconds to answer.
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran daw, Teddy's Photos. Ed Sheeran is correct! Very good, very good. So, 1 point na para sa inyo at ang susunod nating contestants, McCoy and John. Kayong dalawa dito, guys. McCoy? Kamusta, guys? Hello, McCoy. Tulad ng tinanong ko sa ating mga kasama dito kanina, meron ba kayong mga shows, mga gusto niyo i-promote at of course, yung online accounts ninyong dalawa?
Yun po, unang-una, thank you muna sa Mix na nag-invite sa akin dito.
Maraming salamat
Thank you po.
din.
May Twitter, Makoy De Leon po. Makoy De Leon, and Instagram, MCF De Leon.
There you go. Thank you very much. And ikaw naman, John.
Yan, thank you din po sa Mix sa
Of course,
pag-invite.
maraming
First time.
salamat. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayon, ha?
First time din.
And yan, follow niyo po ako sa Instagram @JohnBermundo and sa Twitter @JohnBermundo_05.
Ayan, there you go. Alam nyo, talagang mas mag-enjoy kayo kung mananalo kayo ngayon. So, you have to make sure na mayroon kayong madadagdag at mako-contribute sa inyong mga team. So, here we go. Para sa inyong dalawa, kamay sa gilid, ha? Pwede kang lumapit konti so that you're not that far. On Instagram, Chinita Princess. Letter A, Alex Gonzaga. Letter B, Kim Chu. Letter C, Yeng Constant.
Kim Chu.
Kim Chu! Mukhang natuwa ang kanyang mga teammates. Kim Chu is correct! Good job, Makoy. Ngayon, Shay at Renee. Kayong dalawa. Dito, please, ladies.
Ano ba? Yun yung sample ko sa'yo eh.
Hi, girls! Hello! So, tulad na nga din ang tinanong ko sa kanila. It's your turn. Go ahead. You can talk to everyone.
Yes. Uy, thank you. It's my first time sa palaro ng Mix. Mix Olympics. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, Shay_BU, that's Shay Vu. And Twitter, ShayBustamante0.
Alright, thank you very much, Shay. And how about you?
Yes, first of all, thank you, Mix, for having me here. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's @HeyI'mRenee. And you can check my YouTube channel. I also do covers there. It's Renee Dominic. So check
There you go, guys. Check out all the pages that we mentioned to you sa lahat ng mga kasama natin yung contestants. I-follow nyo na sila lahat. At kung hindi nyo nalalaman, para sa mga first time dito sa Mix Olympics, nag-trending tayo sa Twitter. Kasabay ng mga ibang mga malalakas dyan. So, lalaban tayo dyan, guys. Okay, here we go. Palamahan natin Mix Olympics. Yes, yes. Thank you very much for joining us. Here we go. Ito naman ang sa inyong dalawa. Sa Twitter. Kamay sa gilid, guys.
Sorry.
So that's fair, okay? Robert Marian. Letter A. No coaching, ha? Letter A, Robert Downey Jr. Letter B, Robert.
Robbie Domingo.
Robbie Domingo. DJ Robbie. Robbie Domingo is correct! That is the Twitter handle of DJ Robbie. Ngayon, balik tayo tayo ngayon kay Luigi and Neil, kayong dalawa ulit. For round number 2, we will have 3 rounds for game number 1. Okay, on Instagram, ang handle niya, How You See It. Letter A, Eugene Domingo. Letter B, Uma Thurman. Letter C, Usher. Luigi.
Usher.
Usher Raymond. Usher is correct! Another
Hindi ko alam yun,
point
pasensya
para
na.
sa team single. Maris and Ella, kayong dalawa ulit. Okay, para sa inyo, Twitter. Number 4, Forever Singing You. Letter U. Number 4, Ever Singing, and then letter U. Letter A, Gary Valenciano. Letter B, Martin Rivera.
Martin Rivera.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sabi ni Ella, Martin Rivera. Martin Rivera is correct! Pasok! Good job! McCoy and John.
Nakakano na.
Game.
Oh, game na daw, game na daw. Kamay sa gilid. On Twitter, 143 Red Angel. Up, letter A, Angel Aquino. Letter B, Angel Locsin. Letter C, Angelica Panganiban.
Angelica, Panganiban.
Angelica Panganiban is correct. John, para sa'yo. Again, Twitter, 143 Red Angel. Letter A, Angel Aquino. Letter B, Angel Locsin. Coaching ha, mga eye contact, mga ganyan. Angelica Panganiban.
Angel Locsin.
Angel Locsin daw. Angel Locsin is correct! Good job! And Shay and Renee, kayo ulit dalawa.
What's the standing?
Meron tayong score update later on, guys. Don't worry. Okay, here we go. Para sa inyong dalawa, on Instagram, J.Wolf.
James Reed. That's my batchmate.
James Reed. James Reed is absolutely correct. Correct. Luigi and Neil, kayo ulit for our last round. Ang score natin as of this point, 4 and 3. So, dikit pa ang ating labanan. Here we go. On Twitter, A Plusk. A Plusk. A plus K pala. A plus K. Sorry. A plus K. Letter A, Alicia Keys. Letter B, Anna Kendrick. Letter C, Ashton Kutcher.
See?
C, Ashton Kutcher is correct! Yeah, do the dance, do the dance. Marijanela, kayo ulit. On Instagram, kamay sa gilid, kilala niyo naman siguro to. Bad Gal Riri.
Wait! Oh my God! Rihanna!
Akala ko after that long hard press, magkakamali pa. Rihanna is correct! Good job, Maris! McCoy and John, sobrang na-excite, nakalimutan na yung sagot.
After 5 seconds sana. Babaan natin.
Okay.
Hindi mo dyan.
Para sa inyo, on Instagram, Darashi. Letter A, Aramina. Letter B, Cara Delevingne. Letter C, Sandara Park. John, okay?
Sandara Park.
With a look na confused, Sandara Park is correct! Okay lang yan. Bawi na lang mamaya. Bawi. Shay and Renee.
High five. Okay.
Ang bilis ng kamay niya
Let's do this. Snatcher talaga ako dati.
Okay. Magandang background yan. Magagamit dito. Here we go. Last one for game number 1 on Twitter. Sino si? Prat.
John Prats.
John Prats. John Prats is... Up buzzer, technical difficulties, but that is incorrect. One more time. On Twitter, Prat Prat Prat. Letter A, John Prats. Letter B, Camille Prats. Letter C, Chris Pratt.
C?
C, Chris Pratt of Guardians of the Galaxy. That is correct! So that is the correct answer for that one. At dahil dun sa huling sagot na yon, ang score natin, 6 points para sa inyo na Gimme One and Team Single with 5 points. You're only 1 point behind. Tingnan natin kung makahabol kayo sa game number 2 sa pagbabalik yan ng Mix Olympics!
How to make Does Respond on KineMaster. First grab Swirl 2.222. Hey, can I have an ice cream? No. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Grab -6 pitches. Grab 1 pitch and man. Set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger. And here's the result. That's it. How to not make Does Not Respond on KineMaster. Grab color changer, 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 grab color changer. Set the color offset to 360 and the hue to 50. Make it bigger, then flip it. Next, grab Swirl 2.0, make the radius 50, and make the strength 10. Make it bigger, export it, flip it. Get the exported version, export it, get the exported version, flip it, grab 2 pitches, That's it. How to make KineMaster. That's it.
W2 Woman World Acne Gone will make spreading pimples disappear one by one, and no more acne breakouts for you. You definitely won't see any flaws in your face, neck, back, or shoulders again. It guarantees to give every user exactly the same acne-removing results. Even 10 to 20-year-old acne-prone skin can become acne-free in no time. It's just like having a new face that is fresh, oil-free, clean, and flawless. W2 Acne Gone guarantees to be the best anti-acne product. Call and order now. Let everyone see how handsome or pretty you can be and how charming you are. W2 Acne Gone.
Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingon na. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay.